Let's be real, we've all been there. Standing in front of the mirror, shelves full of Western skincare products, wondering why nothing seems to really change our skin. Despite the promises of glass skin, glow serums, and instant results, our skin's still meh. But here's the plot twist. There's a whole other skincare universe across the globe. And it's not just about 10 steps and snail slime. Today, we're diving deep into Korean beauty hacks that Western brands never talk about. And trust me, they don't want you to know these. Because once you do, you might never buy another 100-pound miracle cream again. This is East meets West skincare wisdom, and it might just change how you treat your skin forever. Why K-beauty is different and genius. Let's start with the philosophy. Korean beauty isn't obsessed with quick fixes. It's not about masking flaws or turning back time overnight. It's about long-term skin health. In Korea, skincare starts early, like teen years early. It's seen as daily hygiene, not vanity. Imagine if brushing your teeth also came with 20 minutes of pure self-care and gentle face massages. That's K-beauty. And unlike Western brands that jump on trend-based actives, hello, everyone's suddenly putting retinol in everything. Korean skincare is prevention first. So instead of aggressively exfoliating, they're layering hydration, calming the skin barrier and coaxing the glow out, not forcing it. The hydration sandwich, game changer. You've heard of layering. But have you heard of the hydration sandwich? Here's the deal. You lightly mist your skin with water, apply a serum, then mist again, and layer with moisturizer. Why? Because hydrated skin drinks up active ingredients way better. It's like applying makeup to a dry sponge versus a damp beauty blender. Which one works better? Exactly. Western routines often ignore this. They go straight from harsh cleanser to retinol to moisturizer, hoping for the best. But in Korea, it's all about prepping your skin like a dewy canvas before anything potent even touches it. Try this tonight. Mist, lightweight essence, mist, serum, light moisturizer. Wake up glowing. You're welcome. Egg white sheet masks and rice water rinses. The vintage hacks. Korean beauty isn't just about what's new. It's about what's tried and tested. Some of the best hacks go back generations. Take egg white sheet masks. Rich in protein and albumin, they tighten pores like nothing else. Mix 1 egg white, a drop of honey, soak a cotton pad in it, and place it on your skin for 15 minutes. Bye-bye large pores. Or rice water rinses, used for centuries by Korean women for whitening, brightening, and softening skin. Just soak organic rice in water for 30 minutes, strain it, and use that water as a toner or rinse after cleansing. Rich in vitamins B and E, and gentle enough for daily use. Western brands? They'd rather sell you a 40-pound toner than tell you to DIY with pantry staples. Skin cycling, but gentler. In the West, skin cycling is becoming a thing. Using exfoliants one night, retinoids the next, then recovery days. But the Korean version? It's slower, softer, and less aggressive. Instead of acid peels, they use fermented ingredients. Think galactomyces, bifida ferment, or even mugwort that strengthen the microbiome while delivering results. It's science meets tradition. K-beauty is low irritation, but high performance. This is why so many Korean women have that famously glass look. Not greasy, not dry, just healthy, luminous skin. Double cleansing is not just extra, it's essential. This one's now slowly trickling into Western routines, but most people still don't get it right. Korean women never use just one cleanser. First comes an oil cleanser to melt sunscreen, makeup, and sebum. Then a water-based one to actually cleanse the skin. Why? Because oil attracts oil. Your foaming cleanser? It's not getting that SPF off. And if you're breaking out and still not oil cleansing, there's your answer. Try this. Use a gentle cleansing balm at night before your foaming face wash. Watch how your blackheads slowly disappear. Skin massage, the invisible secret. One thing you'll rarely hear a Western influencer talk about? Facial massage. In Korea, women spend 5 to 10 minutes massaging in products, lifting, draining puffiness, stimulating circulation. No fancy tools, just hands. The results? Firmer jawlines, smaller looking pores, less inflammation. Western routines? Slap on and rub in. Done. Hack this into your routine by using a thick toner or essence and doing a lifting massage while applying it. Up, not down. Your lymphatic system will thank you. It's not just skincare, it's lifestyle. Korean beauty doesn't stop at your jawline. Diet plays a huge role. Think antioxidant-rich foods like seaweed, fermented kimchi, barley tea, and collagen-rich bone broths. Add in plenty of water, low sugar, and sun avoidance. And you've got a glow from the inside out. Meanwhile, in the West, wine, sunbathing, and late nights. And then a 100-pound serum to fix it all. The products Western brands don't sell, but you need. Let's talk ingredients and products the West doesn't hype, but should. Essences, the unsung hero. More hydrating than toners, lighter than serums. It's your skin's multivitamin. Sleeping packs, not just night cream. These lock in everything while actively repairing overnight. Centella asiatica. Calms irritated skin, heals faster than your favorite steroid cream. Snail mucin. Yes, it sounds weird, but it's a humectant plus healer combo the West still hasn't matched. The cold spoon hack. Depuff without products. In the West, we're told to buy jade rollers or under-eye creams with caffeine. But in Korea, you just grab a cold spoon. Yes, seriously. Pop 2 metal spoons in the freezer overnight. In the morning, gently press the back of the spoons under your eyes for a few minutes. It constricts blood vessels, depuffs, and instantly makes you look more awake. No $50 eye serum needed. Just 2 spoons in 5 minutes. Skincare for your pillowcase? Yes, really. You've heard of sleeping masks. But have you heard of silk pillow hacks? In Korea, beauty isn't just what goes on your face, it's what touches it too. That's why many Korean women sleep on silk or bamboo pillowcases. They're gentler on skin, reduce friction, and don't suck moisture out of your face the way cotton does. Even more, they spray their pillowcases with mists infused with mugwort or green tea. Why? Antibacterial, soothing, and it prevents nighttime breakouts caused by fabric bacteria. Genius. The 3-second rule, speedy product absorption. This one is a cult favorite in K-beauty circles, but almost unheard of in the West. It's called the 3-second rule, not the one about dropped food. In skincare, it means applying your first product, usually a toner or essence, within 3 seconds of washing your face. Why? Because damp skin absorbs ingredients better. Your pores are open. Your skin is thirsty. Waiting too long means water evaporates and your skin goes into panic mode. So, towel off quickly, then go straight into your first product. Airy Sunscreens, SPF without the white cast. Western sunscreens? Often greasy, heavy, and leave you looking like a ghost. K-beauty changed the SPF game with airy, gel-type essence sunscreens that feel like skincare, not glue. Some even come with skin tone-adapting pigments that double as primer. Fan favorites use Centella asiatica, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, calming, brightening, and protecting your skin. No breakouts, no film, no excuses. The baby face aesthetic, lifting without Botox. In Korea, it's not just about good skin. It's about shape, contour, and symmetry. They use a combo of facial yoga, gua sha tools, cool patches under jawlines, and even anti-aging tapes at night to train muscle memory. These aren't gimmicks. They're subtle techniques to prevent sagging and keep that youthful bounce, no needles involved. Exfoliating without scrubs. Gentle cell turnover. Western beauty loves a good scrub. Sugar, salt, walnut shells. Korean skincare? No friction, no damage. Instead, they use gommage peels, creamy, rubbery exfoliants that peel off dead skin without tugging. Or enzyme-based exfoliators with papaya or pumpkin that melt away debris. Your skin feels smoother, not sanded. So, what did we learn today? That good skin doesn't have to come from a lab. It can come from rice water, a mist bottle, a cold spoon, and generations of wisdom that never made it to the West. If you're tired of your skin fighting back, maybe it's time to stop battling and start listening. Because K-beauty isn't about fixing flaws. It's about nurturing, about patience, about glow that lasts longer than any viral trend. So here's your challenge. Pick just one hack from this video. Yes, one. Try it tonight. Then come back and tell me in the comments. Did your skin notice? And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like. It helps more people discover this kind of self-care that actually works. And if you're obsessed with finding beauty that's gentle, thoughtful, and rooted in real culture, hit subscribe. Because this is just the beginning of our East meets West glow up. See you in the next one. And remember, your glow is a process, not a product. Bye for now, beautiful soul.